Almost 20 years ago, I found this car under a house in the ACT, my Spectra. It's a bit of a basket case. Young Tom had an accident at Eastern Creek. Fairly heavy impact on the front, bent front suspension, shows the uprights, had a bit of a twist, even tore the engine mount. So after a few hours of unstitching the front suspension, untacking the front chassis, found all the twists and bends. A few hours of work, started to come together as almost a straight chassis. Built a table with a piece of thick compressed fibreboard on top of it to give me a level playing field. I was able to work out the twist in the chassis, get rid of that, make a new front uprights for the chassis. The original one's too badly damaged. Come together too badly. Got rid of the twist, straightened all the bar work. Next was the front suspension. So a friend of mine gave me this, donated it to the cause. Stripped it down, rebuilt it with most of the components out of the original one that was damaged. Came up not too bad. Bit of paint, cleaned up good. Sorry about the photo. As you can see there, in the exhaust pipe copped a ding. The engine moved quite a bit in the accident. Broke some cooling fins off the cylinder head. There's another shot of the cylinder head damage. I even moved far enough to put a ding in the inlet manifold. So I purchased some ball bearings, exact internal diameter of the manifold, pushed them through to the ding, heat her up, pressed it through, came up not too bad. Resuspension was pretty good, not too much damage caused there. A little bit more paint on the bodywork, put her back together. That's how she looks now. Thanks for watching.